Today, I will guide you through a remarkable opportunity that can be your gateway to start a business in the United States, move your family here, and even pave the way for a green card. We'll talk about immigration to the United States through the L-1 visa. Who is eligible, what are the requirements, what are some restrictions, as well as your prospects. But let's do it step by step. Hello everyone, my name is olenamanilichimmigration and I'm an immigration lawyer based in New York. We have clients in all 50 states and serve clients all over the world to help them easily immigrate to the United States. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, this is the best time to do it now to stay on top of the all immigration news and know all immigration tips. L-1 visa is a non-immigrant visa, also known as intra-company transferee executive or manager visa. This visa allows executives and managers to be transferred from a foreign company to US-based subsidiary, branch, parent, or affiliate company within the United States. L-1 visa can be obtained for a senior or middle manager of the company outside the United States. At first glance, this visa can be very hard to obtain, but do not close this video just yet. I will explain you how this visa works and show you why it's so great using a simple example. Let's start with the benefits of L-1A visa. Unlike E-2 visa, L-1A visa does not have any specific requirements related to citizenship. There is no educational requirements. You can get L-1A visa within as little as 2 weeks. One of my clients came to the United States on a tourist visa. We prepared all the documents, filed them with the USCIS using premium processing, and he received his approval within 2 weeks. In 2024, the average time for processing L-1A visa with USCIS without using premium processing, I would say, is 6 to 9 months. According to statistics, the number of applications and approvals for L-1 category has increased from 82% in 2017 to 97% in 2023. This is a common statistic for L1 category, which includes L1A and L1B visa. We will not go into details of L1B visa in this video. However, today we will focus only on L1A visa. L1A holders can bring to the United States their spouses and unmarried children under age of 21, which can work and study in the United States without restrictions. Their family will get L2 visas. The L1 visa does not require your company to pay you a certain wage. There are no quotas for this visa, so you will not have to wait months or even years in order to apply for a visa or to apply for change of status if you are already in the United States. Yes, L1 is a non-immigrant visa, which means that you cannot directly apply for a green card. However, L1 visa is also called dual intent visa, and you will still be able to get a green card in the future. I will explain about this in details in the end of this video. Now, let's talk about who is eligible for L1 visa, how to get it, and what are the requirements. The L1 visa has specific requirements for both the employer and employee. Let's say you have a business in your home country. It can be cleaning business. Honestly, the type of business does not really matter so much. However, there are some important requirements for L1A visa. The foreign company you work for must have qualifying relationship with the US-based company. It can be affiliate, branch, parent, or subsidiary type of relationship. You must have experience working outside the United States in that particular company that you are being transferring from in a managerial or executive capacity. And you must work there for at least 1 year within the past 3 years. In the US, you should be assuming the same managerial or executive capacity in a related company. You must have supervisory responsibilities over other employees. Both the foreign company and the company you will be working for in the United States should have a hierarchical structure. This type of structure is usually depicted as a pyramid with the highest level of power at the top, followed by decreasing levels of power as we move down. In a typical hierarchical structure, you is the CEO, followed by other executives and managers, and they are followed by regular employees. The number of workers in the US and in the foreign company vary from 10 to 15 employees. Please note that there is no minimum requirement of employees. However, you have to be able to prove this pyramid hierarchy. The perfect structure for you to obtain L1A visa will be you as the CEO and the only owner of the business. In the situation with different founders, it is also possible to get L1 visa. However, here there are different factors that cannot be covered in one video. If you would like to get assistance with immigration to the United States through L1 visa, feel free to reach out to us. We have a successful track record with these types of visa and we'll be happy to assist. All the information about our offices and how to contact us is in the description to this video. Now, let's discuss the requirements for L1 visa concerning doing business in the United States. Here, what's really important. Once you apply for L1 visa, the business outside of the United States should continue to operate. And at the same time, the business in the United States should exist and operate as well. At this stage, there are two options. L1 visa can be obtained in order to start up a new company or in order to buy existing business. You can purchase a company that's already operating, files taxes, and already has turnover. Please note that the businesses should not be in the same field. The US employer must be actively doing business in the US and have office and facility for their employees to work. In a case of a new business for L1 visa purposes, the company should present a business plan to show how they're going to operate. L1A visas are initially granted for 3 years with the possibility of extension for up to 7 years. Applicants for L1A new office visa are usually granted visa for up to 1 year. And here's the reason. When you come to the United States, you have to prove that the business will operate, that you come to the United States to develop your business, and that you will make some progress, and not just that you get L1 visa, come to the United States, shut your business in a week, and then come seek asylum. However, in the second case, when you are buying existing company, the L1 visa will initially be granted for you for up to 3 years. Now, on to the most interesting part of this video, how to get a green card after you got your L1A visa. Often, after applying and getting approval for L1A visa, the company is applying for the same employee for EB1C category in order to get a green card. EB1C visa is a green card for executives and managers. If you choose this strategy, it is essential to plan everything ahead, and while applying for L1A visa, already keep in mind that in the future you will be applying for EB1C visa. The immigration service keep an eye for these types of cases, so I would suggest to consult with experienced attorney in order to make your journey easy and in order to get your green card in the future, although now you're only applying for L1 visa. Our office contacts are provided in this video description. I hope this video was helpful, insightful, and more importantly, very easy to understand. We are always open to suggestions and feedback in the comments. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, to like our video, and to send it to everyone who is looking to immigrate to the United States.